let me show you how to create, customize, and embed a Facebook feed like this on your Elementor website. This is by using the Smash Balloon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Facebook Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smash Balloon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on our WordPress website, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Before we can get started with creating our Facebook feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. And over here, beside License Key, enter your license key from your Smash Balloon account, then click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, we can begin creating our Facebook feed. On the left-hand side once again, under Facebook Feed, click on All Feeds. To get started with creating our Facebook feed, click on Add New. And for our first step, we'll have to select a feed type. With Facebook Feed Pro, you have several different feed types you can choose from, such as a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, a feed of photos from your Facebook page, a feed of videos from your Facebook page, a feed displaying your Facebook albums, and more. For this video, we're going to stick with the timeline option, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. Now we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click on Add New, and then on this screen, we can click on Connect to Facebook. This will take you into Facebook, and if you're already logged in, click on Edit Access, and over here you can select which Facebook page you want to connect with the Smash Balloon plugin. Look for the page you want to display inside your feed, and make sure it's toggled on the right-hand side. Once that's done, we can close this, and click on Continue. Now, back inside WordPress, you should see all the Facebook pages you've connected with Smash Balloon. Select the one you want to display inside your feed, then click Add. After that, we can select it as a source, like this, and then click Next. For the next step, we'll have to select the theme for the design of our Facebook feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one provides you with a unique design for your feed. For this video, let's go with the social wall theme, then click Next. And now for the final step, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple masonry, widget, and more. For this video, let's go with the simple cards template. Once that's selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our new Facebook feed inside the plugin. This features all the latest Facebook posts from the account we connected as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery. We can now go and embed this inside our Elementor webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. And on this menu, you can find several different layout options for your Facebook feed. At the top, you can see that we currently have the list layout selected, which displays your Facebook posts in a single column list. Next, we have the masonry layout, which displays your Facebook posts in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. For this video, let's continue with the list layout, and if you scroll down, you can also choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. As you can see inside the preview, we're currently displaying 6 posts. To change that, we can simply type in the number of posts we want to display. Let's change that to 2, and now our feed will only display our latest 2 posts. But for this video, I'm going to change that to 4, and now it's updated to display 4 posts inside our feed. And once you're happy with the layout of your Facebook feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to add a header at the top of your Facebook feed, on the left-hand side under the Customize tab, go into Header. You can see that it's currently disabled. We can enable it, and you'll instantly be greeted by a new header at the top of your Facebook feed. This is the visual header type. This includes the Facebook profile picture, page name, the bio, number of page likes, and the cover photo for that Facebook page. Alternatively, we can go with the text header style, which is a simple text header that you can modify down below. You can change this to anything you like, such as our latest posts, but for this video, I'm going to disable the header and keep it as it is. Lastly, if you want to moderate the content inside your Facebook feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. At the top, you can choose to display posts by page owner and visitors, or just visitors. Underneath that, you can also choose if you want to show all posts or only specific posts. Next, you can also specify words so that your feed only displays or hides posts containing those words. Lastly, you can also filter posts based on date range, so that your feed only displays posts within that date range. With these filtering and moderation options, you have complete control over the posts inside your Facebook feed. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, then click Add. Now inside our page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are now on our Elementor web page, and this is where we'll embed our new Facebook feed. To embed it, on the left-hand side, we can search for the shortcode element. That's this one here. We can drag it and place it here on our page. Next, inside this box here, we can enter the shortcode that we just copied. And just like that, we'll instantly see a live preview of our new Facebook feed inside Elementor. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now on our live Elementor webpage, we have our brand new Facebook feed right in the middle of our webpage. This feed is featuring the latest post from the account we connected as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery. Inside each post, you can see the account name, profile picture, when that post was published, the caption, and the photo or video if they're available. If a site visitor clicks on the photo, that will open up inside a lightbox view like this, where you can see the caption, the comments, and a button to comment on Facebook. And that's how you can create, customize, and embed a Facebook feed like this on your Elementor webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in the video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.